In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a PayPal business account to a personal account. First, open your browser and go to your PayPal business dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the business account you want to change. It's a good idea to quickly check that you don't have any pending payments, open disputes, or unresolved issues, because you'll be closing this business account in order to switch it to a personal one. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right-hand corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon or business name. Click on that profile area to open a small menu. This is where PayPal keeps most of the shortcuts to your account details and settings. From the menu that appears, click on Account Settings. This will take you to a separate page that controls how your account is set up, including your business information, permissions, and preferences. On the left-hand side of the Account Settings page, find and click on Account Preferences. This section includes options for how your account behaves, and it's where PayPal puts the tools for closing or changing your account type. Scroll through the Account Preferences page until you see the option to close account. It should be clearly labeled. Go ahead and click on Close Account. Before you do this, it's wise to withdraw any remaining balance to your bank or card and download any statements you might need for your records, because closing the business account will remove it from active use. After clicking Close Account, PayPal will guide you through a few final steps. You may see confirmation messages, warnings, or questions about why you're closing the account. Carefully read what's on the screen, confirm that you understand, and then click Continue to proceed. Follow each on-screen prompt until PayPal confirms that your business account has been closed successfully. Once that's done, you're ready to create your new personal account. Go back to the main PayPal website and open the sign-up page. This time, when you're asked what type of account you want, select a personal account instead of a business account. When prompted for an email address, you can use the same email that was previously associated with your business account, as long as that account is fully closed. Then complete the sign-up process by entering your details, verifying your email, and setting up your preferences. You've now effectively moved